Hi, I want to welcome you to Rampart and tell you that you are coming to a great school. I love this school so much. I've been here for 28 years now. I've taught woodworking, been the wrestling coach, and for all 28 years, I've been the drafting instructor. I want to tell you a little bit about the drafting program. We have 4 courses, they're all year-long electives. And if you have an interest in architecture, engineering, construction, or building trades, this is the class for you. You should get in here. It's fun. It's You're going to learn a ton, and it's going to introduce you to all these career fields. You have to start at drafting one. All right, they are sequential. So drafting one, drafting two, architectural drafting one, and architectural drafting two. In the classes, in drafting one, you will start by doing some hand drawing. So you might make something like this with the compass. Then we'll go to AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the premier drafting program, and you'll learn how to use AutoCAD to make drawings like this little isometric drawing, or this multi-view drawing with an isometric in the corner. After we do that, then you'll move on to architecture. And in the architecture classes, you will be doing drawings like this. This happens to be an elevation of a house, and you'll be drawing a full set of house plans of a house that I'll give to you. But in addition to doing all of this by hand and in AutoCAD, you'll also have hands-on activities. You'll take in AutoCAD, you'll design a bridge, and then you'll produce that bridge. Okay, this is this design and this bridge. Okay, so actually tomorrow we are testing these bridges in our local contest, and some of these kids will go on to the state contest and hopefully the national contest. In addition to that, you'll be able to do 3D printing. You'll be able to make something like your name. Possibly you can print a spinner like this, okay? Or make something like this dragon. In addition, you'll get to use the laser engraver. You'll take a piece of wood, design the pieces, cut them out, and make them into a cube. So, what I really want to tell you is you should be in this class. We have a ton of fun and we learn a ton. I want to just also brag a little bit on some of our students. We have students that have several students that are architects, practicing architects right now, a ton of students who are practicing engineers. And a couple of my favorite stories are a guy named Brad who started drawing decks, custom decks in class, and then he turned it into a business. And now he has a full business that he owns in California, remodeling houses. Also, I have another student named Matt who owns Crosswood Homes, which is a custom timber frame home building company in Woodland Park. And these guys started right here in our drafting room, just like you will. And so I want to say, I hope to see you next year. You're going to enjoy this class, and I'm going to enjoy getting to know you. I'm Mr. Bartels. If you want to get in touch with me, my email is Casey, CASEY .BARTELS @ASD20.org. I hope to see you next year. Thanks for listening.